Hello, it's the 30th of November. And as much as I love November, I am so excited for December to unfold. After all, like they say, it's the most wonderful time of the year. So yes, we are gearing up and super excited for Christmas. What do you think of when you think of Christmas? I think of loved ones, lot of smiles, lot of hugs, gifts, hot cocoa, chocolates, cakes, everything sweet and nice. And what do you think when you think of Help AG? I'll tell you, I might be biased, but yes, when we think of Help AG, we think of commitment, collaboration, trust. We think of people. We love our people. We care for them. We do cybersecurity. Why? We protect people. We protect your trust. And we wanted to see if there is something we can link these two beautiful things together, Christmas and Help AG. And at Help AG, we are all about sharing is caring. So this Christmas, we bring to you our first ever edition of Help AG Advent Calendar. 24 days of hot chocolate. No, I'm kidding. 24 days of cybersecurity information created very carefully for you to provide you the information that you need to be at top of your game when you think about cyber resilience of your people, of your partner ecosystem, and of all your customers and everyone related to your organization and yourself. Not yesterday, not just today, and not just tomorrow. It's all about day zero and beyond. So stay tuned as we start this new tradition with you because we care. So don't go anywhere and wait as tomorrow the Advent calendar unfolds. Excited?